Well, we're back. Good morning to those who are new to Crypto Big Boss. Here we are looking at a $37,800 Bitcoin. We're just coming off of Crypto Crash 2022. And I mean, it might be a little bit too early to call this the beginning of the bounce back. As you can see here, if we just scroll up here and let's take a look at this chart. This is the 1 day. Actually, this is all. Let's just look at the 1 day. We can see here that we went so far as going as low as 34,000, and now we're back up to 37,800. A lot of volume going on. Is this the beginning of a comeback? Could be. I think right now people are still a little bit unsettled about what's about to happen with the Federal Reserve and what's going on with the stock market. And it appears that the S&P 500 and the price of Bitcoin are almost inextricably tied together. They kind of mirror each other now. But I think if we go back here now and look at all of Bitcoin and look at this overarching pattern here to set ourselves up to make this price prediction, we can see that in 2021, around March, we were looking at a high point of 61,000. And then again, when we came back in November, we saw 67,000. And for me, that's enough, just looking at this, the pattern and the overarching feel of the market, to go ahead and put out my price prediction for 2022, which, folks, I believe we're going to get to that 80,000 this year. That's right. I believe that, we're going to come out of this. We're going to get past the tax season. And I think somewhere in the summer, we're going to shoot like no one believes. And we're going to go all the way back up. And once we test this 61,000 over here that we saw back in November, I think it's going to be something that people are never going to forget, how we pushed past the $70,000 mark and went on up to 80,000. So I'm going to go ahead and call it $80,000 Bitcoin in 2022. Hope you guys have enjoyed this analysis. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.